I'd like to talk this week about electromagnetic detection in life. This is one area in biology and, quite frankly, uh, quantum chemistry and physics that has really taken off. There is growing evidence that birds, and in fact other animals and even plants are using quantum entanglement to detect and orientate themselves in the world using the Earth's magnetic field. And so we are no longer talking about protein molecules. We are not even talking about atoms. But at this point, if this is truly happening, and there is mounting evidence that it is, that plants and animals are using this process to orientate themselves in the world. And this, of course, is using electrons that are existing momentarily based on quantum physics. And I will show you pictures from an article that I want to highlight today. It is primarily on theoretical constructs of how this could be happening chemically, biologically, and physically in birds. Cryptochromes that are found inside the bird's retina are believed to house a small inner capsule in which the production of radical pairs can not only be produced but maintained over extended periods of time. When I say extended periods of time, we are talking about approximately 1 millisecond, where normally they would exist for a much shorter period of time. In keeping these radical pairs active, there is enough time to produce a signal that, based on two different types of radicals, the singlets and the triplets, that they're able to produce a signal which orientates the organism between the polarity of north and south. And since these are readily found in the rod's receptor cells in the bird's eye, it's believed that this could in fact create a heads-up display within the bird's eye. I've mentioned this once before, but the greater details that they're starting to discover here on this have been produced actually in the laboratory now. So there's growing evidence that this is in fact the case. It has not been able to be proven yet, but they have used plant cryptochromes in the lab, and they have demonstrated that they do have differing reactions based on magnetism that can be demonstrated. And so putting these things together, they have shown hypothetically what the bird might see. And so the visual field would be modified by the information coming in regarding the magnetic field, so the bird could see these things. And this is further evidenced as a possibility by the fact that in order to create this reaction inside the cryptochrome, light is required, and light is the activating impulse to create these radicals that can create signals. And so here we have truly an amazing thing, and it is possible that this exists in very different animals, from lobsters to fruit flies, birds, even humans have these cryptochromes. Although we're not sure that they all are related to the Earth's magnetic field, it's certainly a possibility. So this is opening up a whole new field in biology, and it's based on, as I said, quantum mechanics and quantum entanglement, and to imagine that life is utilizing momentary existence of quantum particles to function is an amazing discovery, and it really causes us to be filled with wonder. Even to imagine the complex experimentation that's involved in trying to verify this just takes every ounce of human ingenuity and intellect, and it's an amazing discovery, and one that we can celebrate. It can fill us with wonder.